Look closely at this scene. A woman in a tailored, floor-length red velvet gown walking down a slick city street. Look at the vivid cerulean and emerald neon reflecting off the wet asphalt. Look at the texture of the fabric, the misty atmosphere. If you saw this a year ago, you would assume it was shot on a wet-down backlot. You would ask what camera they used. You would ask about the lighting rig. But there is no camera. There is no lighting rig. This entire shot is 100% AI generated. Seedance 2.0 just went native 4K on Higgsfield. That's the headline. But I want to show you what that actually means. What changes when AI video generation hits true 4K resolution, why it matters for how you actually use the footage, and what the full workflow looks like on Higgsfield. Most AI video tools claim 4K. What they mean is upscaling. They generate at a lower resolution and then scale it up to 4K. That adds no real detail. You're just stretching the same soft image. Seedance 2.0 generates natively in 4K. That means the detail is there from the start. The model is actually rendering at that resolution, not scaling up after the fact. And that changes the output in ways that matter for real use. Faces stay sharp, even in close-ups. Skin texture, hair, fabric. These hold up when you look at them closely or when the camera moves. Textures that used to smear together at 1080p now have actual separation. Water, glass, clothing. The things that always gave AI video away look real. The second thing that changes is what you can do with the output. With 4K, you can crop. You can reframe. You can zoom in post-production without the footage turning to mush. With 1080p AI video, you're stuck with what you got. You can't push in without losing quality. With native 4K, you've got actual post-production flexibility. That matters if you're making content for multiple platforms, or if you need to cut a wide shot into something tighter for social. The third thing is trust. Sharp video feels professional. A crisp product shot or brand video looks legit. A blurry one makes people doubt what they're looking at. Quality you can see builds credibility you can't fake. That's not a marketing line, it's just how human perception works. Let me show you how this actually works. I'm on Higgsfield AI, which hosts Seedance 2.0. The workflow is straightforward. You go to the video generation section, select Seedance 2.0, and you're in. There are 3 ways to start a generation: text to video, image to video, or video to video. You can start from nothing, animate a still image, or extend and transform existing footage. The interface handles all 3. What I actually use most is the image to video mode, because Seedance has a feature that most other models don't: character consistency across shots. Upload a face reference, and that character stays consistent across every shot in your generation. No weird face changes between cuts. This is what makes it possible to actually build a story instead of just generating random clips. The other thing worth showing is the multimodal input. You can drop in up to 9 images, 3 video clips, and 3 audio files, all in one generation. Use the syntax to assign each one. Tell the model which image is your reference character, which clip defines your camera movement, which audio is your background music. It's like pointing at the pieces and saying, this goes here, this goes there. Less prompt wrestling, more directing. For this walkthrough, I'm going to run a text-to-video generation on Seedance 2.0 4K, a cinematic short scene. Something with movement, texture, and a real location feel. Let me show you what comes out. I'm typing in the prompt. Native 4K generation is computationally heavier than 1080p, so the render time reflects that. But while it runs, I want to show you what's happening under the hood here. Seedance 2.0 is rendering full 4K frames, not upscaling. That's why it takes the time it does, and that's why the output looks the way it does. Now let me show you the result. The clip comes back at 4K, the rain on the pavement is sharp. The neon reflections are clean and detailed. The woman's dress has texture and movement. The camera is holding, no glitching, no weird stretching. The whole thing looks like something you could put in a real project. That's the moment. That's the reveal. This is a 100% AI-generated clip, and it looks like it was shot. Let me be specific about where this actually fits into a real workflow. If you're a creator making social content, product videos, short films, brand content, Seedance 2.0 4K gives you something you didn't have before. Footage you can put on a big screen without apologizing for it. Crop it for reels, use it in a YouTube video, put it in a portfolio. It holds up. If you're a filmmaker or editor, this is where it gets interesting. The shot-on-nothing angle is real. You can generate a cinematic scene, full location, real lighting, actual camera movement, without a camera, without a crew, without a set. And then you can blend it with real footage. When your camera can't reach the shot you need, the light you can't recreate, the angle you can't get, Seedance takes you the rest of the way. Nobody can tell where one ends and the other begins. Seedance also has built-in audio, music, sound effects, voiceovers, lip sync in multiple languages, all generated together with the video. Lip sync is accurate across 8 languages. If you're making content for different markets, you can generate the video once and produce language versions without rebuilding the whole thing. Beyond that, you get real physics. Things fall the way they should, bounce realistically, move with weight. No rubbery or glitchy weirdness in the motion. For anything with action, sports, or complex movement, this is where Seedance 2.0 is noticeably stronger than what came before. And the output specs are practical. Up to 4K resolution, 4 to 15 seconds per generation, 6 aspect ratios, 16:9, 9:16, 4:3, 3:4, 21:9, and 1:1. Watermark-free output. All of this means you're generating footage that's actually ready to use, not just a proof of concept. The character consistency feature is a bigger deal than it sounds. In earlier AI video models, you could get one good shot, but the next shot of the same character looked different. Different face shape, different hair, different outfit details. That's fine if you're just making isolated clips. It's a blocker if you're trying to tell a story. Seedance 2.0 keeps your character consistent across shots. Same face, same hair, same outfit, every time. Which means you can actually build a narrative. Multiple scenes that flow together, real camera movement between cuts, a story that holds. That's what separates a demo from actual production footage. And it's why I think this is a different category of tool than what was available even a year ago. If you've been waiting for AI video to actually be usable, for the output to be sharp enough, consistent enough, and flexible enough to use in real work, Seedance 2.0 4K is that moment. You can try it right now at the link in the description below. Generate your first 4K clip, put it on a big screen, and see for yourself. Start creating at the link in the description below.